As per the recent study published by a current journal, it's Current Science, in India, in the last 100 years, there were 100 million deaths. And all of these deaths were attributed to smoking. I'm talking about a period between 1910 and 2010. In these years, India produced and consumed 4.5 trillions of cigarettes and 40.3 trillions of BDs. And the number of smokers in India increased in the last 50 years fourfold, 400%. Fellow Toastmasters and your guests, 100 year, 100 days. Is it over? No. The worst is yet to come. In the first part of 50 years, between 1910 and 1960, we produced 0.0527 trillion of cigarette. A trillion is 1 lakh crores. And 4.5 trillions of BDs. And research understands or perceives that the impact of that 50 years of smoking would have seen in the last 50 years. Means the people who have smoked from 1910 to 1960 would have died between 1960 and 2010. What does it indicate? Between 1960 and 2010, we have produced 4.5 trillion cigarettes and close to 35 trillion BD. Impact of this is yet to be seen. It's going to be epidemic in the years to come. If you look at the global population, 1 in every 10 deaths is being attributed to smoking. 12 times Britishers have died because of smoking, then they have died in World War II. 1/3 of male adults across the globe smokes. So it is only the adults. 2,000 infants die every year because of a smoking mother. Between 13 to 15 years, teenagers, 1 among 5 of them are smoking worldwide. 80,000 to 1 lakh young people are smoking every day. They're starting smoke every day. 5 billion cigarettes get produced every day, means 10 million every minute. What are you doing? These many deaths, these statistics, still these companies are alive. Reason? Great revenue, lot of employment. I'll give you a myth behind this. ITC, which captures 72% market of tobacco in India, have a revenue of $7 billion. Employ 29,000 people across the world. Of that, 50% revenue comes out of tobacco products. What's the revenue of a Capgemini? 10 billion euros. Close to $13 billion. Employs 1,14,000 people across the world. It's a multinational based in Paris. Wipro, 7 billion company. 1,40,000 people on the board. Most of them are Indians. Yes. The difference comes when they pay the excise duty. ITC tobacco portion pays close to 20 times excise duty of any other company pays. Agreed. But is that equal to $500 billion get spent every year by global economy in smoking related diseases? It takes 25 years for a small cigarette butt to get decomposed. And we cast 4.5 trillion cigarette butts in this earth every year. 300 cigarettes corresponds to 1 keep getting cut. 6.4 kilometers, close to 4 miles of paper get used for wrapping and rolling cigarettes every hour. Friends, cigarette kills. It kills not only to the smokers, to the non-smokers. It damages the economy, it damages the environment, and not to forget, it damages the coming future, coming generation. Quit it if you are smoking. If not, ensure that your near and dear ones go out of it. Those who start smoking, being adolescent, continue smoking for 15 to 25 years. See, all your young guys, ensure that this habit doesn't come to you. 100 million deaths. I'm still waiting for some more deaths. The decision lies with you and with your near and dear ones. Toastmasters.